How to create consistent AI characters across images. Now, one of the biggest problems with AI image generation is consistency. You generate an amazing character, the image looks perfect. The face is exactly what you wanted, the clothing is great, the style is perfect. Then you generate a second image, and suddenly the character looks like a completely different person. Different face, different hairstyle, different clothing, different age, different everything. Now, if you are creating YouTube stories, AI animations, comics, children's books, social media content, marketing campaigns, visual novels. This becomes incredibly frustrating. The good news, in 2026, AI tools have become much better at maintaining character consistency, and there are several techniques that creators use to keep the same character appearing across dozens or even hundreds of images. So in today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create consistent AI characters, the best tools for doing it, and the professional workflows creators use to build entire content channels around a single AI generated character. So let's get started. Now, before we fix the problem, let's understand why it actually happens. Most AI image generators do not actually understand your character. They understand patterns. So when you generate an image, the AI creates a brand new interpretation of your prompt every time. So for example, I'm going to come over here to Gemini. And once we're here, we're going to go over here and write generate image of a young woman with brown hair. Let's go wearing a blue jacket. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and write this in. And once we do that, as you can see, Gemini is going to start creating. Now, this sounds specific, but there are millions of possible interpretations. The AI might generate different face shapes, different eye colors, different hairstyles, different clothing details, and different ages. That is why beginners struggle with consistency. Now, the AI is not trying to preserve identity, it is generating a new image from scratch. Most people create a character like this, like they say, generate a fantasy warrior, and then later on, they type generate the same fantasy warrior riding a horse. The problem, the AI does not know who the same fantasy warrior is. It only sees a prompt. That's why professional creators build something called a character reference system. Now, instead of relying on memory, they create a detailed character blueprint. Now, the blueprint becomes the foundation for every future image. This is the single most important step. Professional artists often call this a character sheet or a character Bible. Create a document containing details such as the name, the age, the hair, eyes, height, face, skin, clothing, accessories, expressions. And now every image is going to use the same description. Or you could go ahead and ask AI to do it for you. This character that you have generated, give me a detailed description of her features so I can reuse her in future prompts. So once we write this in, what AI does is it actually generates a character reference and it gives the AI an idea. So as you can see, it's going to give us all of this. And once all of this is done, we have all of these things. Okay. So we have the prompt template ready to go in. Now, if we go ahead and add this prompt template, let's go ahead and add that and let's see what AI generates. Like, is it remotely similar to what it generated above, or is it entirely different? And obviously, this is where your character referencing is actually going to adapt. Okay. This will tell you if AI has understood the assignment or not. Okay. And as you can see, here we have it. So here we have two images. Now, let's say I'm going to take this image. So we have this image, and then we have this image. And I can say that the face is identical. It's pretty much literally the same. So now you can start working along with it. So now show this woman, let's say, singing in an opera. Okay. So we write that in. And once we write that in, as you can see, it starts generating again. So once your character description is complete and you've given AI a reference according to it, think of this as your master image. Spend extra time here because you need to generate multiple versions and choose the best one. Do not rush this stage. Your master image becomes the reference for everything that follows. And as you can see, it will consistently use the same design for the woman. So as you can see, all the features are the same. The hair is the same. The jacket is still there. And the face shape is the same. Even the face is quite identical. Now, this is where modern AI tools become incredibly powerful. Most advanced image generators now allow image references as well. So instead of using only text prompts, you upload your existing character image. The AI then uses that specific image as a visual guide when generating new scenes. Now, this is one of the most effective methods for maintaining character identity across multiple generations, rather than actually describing your character every time you're showing the AI exactly who the character is. So the tools you can use is various like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Gemini, Flux models, Leonardo AI, Kling AI, all of these are pretty incredible. And at the end, it does matter on your referencing and character generation. Now, the good news is that character consistency is improving rapidly. Just a few years ago, maintaining a character across multiple images was difficult. Now, you can preserve pretty much everything. So that is how to create consistent AI characters across images in 2026. The biggest takeaway is consistency starts before you generate the second image. The more structured your character system is, the more consistent your results will be. So that is pretty much about it for this video. If you enjoyed the results, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.